Welcome back to Artificially Inked, your hub for all things AI. Over the past few months, we've explored some of the most cutting-edge AI tools in 3D generation. Everything from text to 3D models to fully animated characters, these tools have revolutionized how we create, and occasionally they've caused some, let's call it, unintended outcomes.
Larry not unintended. Larry is genius. Remember how Larry cloned himself?
Yes, Larry, we remember, and we are still dealing with the consequences. Anyway, today, we're diving into 3 experimental tools that are pushing the boundaries of 3D generation. And the best part? They're free demos. So let's get started. First up, we have SPAR 3D, or Stable Point-Aware Reconstruction of 3D Objects from Single Images.
Can it turn scrap into snacks?
Not exactly, Larry, but it can turn a single image into a highly detailed 3D model. SPAR 3D uses point-aware reconstruction to ensure geometric accuracy and stability, making it great for creating detailed assets from just one picture. Let's see what it can do with a simple character model. One major advantage is its precision in capturing intricate details. However, it's not ideal for objects with complex textures, as it focuses more on shape than surface. Next, we have the 3D Nova app.
Nova? Is it magic? Larry likes magic.
You are not a wizard, Larry. It's an AI-powered tool that transforms text prompts or images into 3D models. 3D Nova simplifies the modeling process, making it accessible even for beginners. Let's first test the tool with the same simple character model we used before, followed by a text prompt so we can compare the results. Its text-to-3D capability is quick and beginner-friendly, but it struggles with image-based inputs. Finally, we have Hyperhuman 3D 2, also known as scaling diffusion models for high-resolution textured 3D assets.
Sounds like big brain stuff. Can it make more snacks for Larry?
I doubt it, Larry, but it will generate some of the most detailed 3D textures you've ever seen. Hyperhuman 3-2 combines shape generation with high-resolution texture synthesis, making it a standout tool for professional quality assets. With some of the sharpest models we have seen so far. Its ability to produce high-quality textures and detailed geometry is unmatched. However, the system requires significant computational resources, which might be a limitation for some users. And there you have it, 3 innovative tools that are redefining what's possible in AI-driven 3D modeling. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these demos are worth exploring.
You forgot the most important question. Can they 3D print more Larrys?
Larry, I think you've been spending too much time near the microwave, and we definitely don't need any more Larry bots running around. As always, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered creativity.